Let's talk about Circulon Bakeware Steel 4-Cup Non-Stick Yorkshire Pudding Tin Grey. Measures 28.5 cm by 24 cm by 1.5 cm. Lab tests prove the Total Nonstick System outlasts all other bakeware non-sticks, guaranteed perfect even baking performance. Baked foods release with ease, making it easy to clean. Oven safe to 500 F 260C or gas Mark 9. Lifetime consumer satisfaction guaranteed. Measures 28.5 cm by 24 cm by 1.5 cm. Lab tests prove the Total Nonstick System outlasts all other bakeware non-sticks, guaranteed perfect even baking performance. Baked foods release with ease, making it easy to clean. Oven safe to 500 F 260C or gas Mark 9. Lifetime consumer satisfaction guaranteed. Customer video review length 007 mins. Circulon really is non-stick. I have several Circulon cookware and none of it sticks. This tin makes perfect Yorkshires that literally fall out the tin. Heat a little beef dripping in tin, or whichever oil you use, in hot oven for 8 minutes. Add cold batter mix to the preheated tray for perfect puddings in 20 minutes. I find if you make your batter in advance and keep in the fridge before use, the reaction of cold batter to the hot oil gives perfect results for big light puddings. Fill the pudding holes to the top. No need to wash the tin, just allow to cool and wipe dry with kitchen roll. These are ideal Yorkshire pudding trays as you just fill them level with the top with batter and they turn out spot on every time, provided batter mixed right. Of course they are really sturdy and easy to clean as well.